few moments of trade. Joining me now, of course, is Alpesh Patel, CEO of Parthenium Partners. What do you make of all of this? Is this a bit of a storm in a teacup, a correction that's overdue, or markets going loco, to use President Trump's terms?
I think it's all three things. I'm in the most useless profession in the world. I'm a hedge fund manager. Okay, we don't do anything useful at all except we sell
Make money.
Well, it's a pretty useless way in which we do it. We sell things at a higher price than we buy them. It doesn't take much intellectual capital. And now we even use algorithms to do it. We can make these markets fall faster than ever before because we've become incredibly efficient at being able to sell at a high price and then buy back cheaper. That's been one of the reasons. It's not necessarily all these fundamentals, but let's calm down a little bit.
So it's the efficiency of the trading, you're saying?
Which makes this seem even worse than it might have done in previous years. But let's calm down a little bit. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up year to date. Amazon, we're shareholders in Amazon, is up at some 33%, despite all this tech sell-off. I've just gotten back from India, one of the emerging markets, which usually take the biggest pummeling at these times. Well, it's flat for the year, so you know they're not even in negative territory. And something to look forward to: December statistically tends to be one of the best months for the market. So we should calm down. This isn't the big one. The big one's going to come probably back end of next year, but this isn't it. And I think what's going to happen is in a couple of days or weeks, people are going to say, ooh, time to get back in.
Right, OK, so a correction rather than a crash. Thanks very much, Alpesh. I'll see you in a second.
Pleasure.